Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good and completing your work on time. I, Yogita Singh, your English educator. Scholars, as you all know that we already finished 2 lesson from each of our book, right? From grammar, from students book, from our workbook, we already finished 2 lessons. So today I am going to start chapter 3, Owls in the Family. Okay, so let's start our third lesson, our chapter 3, Owls in the Family. Okay scholars, in first page, what is given in first page? That you have to make list of some animals which you want to keep your pet, which you want to keep as your pet. But the thing what is different, that it's given, if you were given the option to have an unusual pet, okay, unusual pet, which animal would you choose? Unusual pet means usually mostly people are keeping cat and dog as their pet, right? But unusual pet means which is not common. So get into groups of 3 and surf the internet to look for the most exotic birds or animals that we can legally keep as pets in India. Okay, exotic birds and animals means what? Exotic birds and animals means which are not native or which are not commonly kept as a pet, that type of birds or animals, and that you have to search in internet that whether that type of animals and birds can be kept as a pet, that you have to search, legally kept as a pet in India or not, that you have to search in internet. Okay, exotic birds which are not native means what? Suppose that have you ever thought to keep frog as your pet? Is no, na, right? Or have you ever thought to keep any reptile as your pet? Reptile means snake or lizard. Have you ever thought to keep them as your pet? If yes or no, first you have to search in internet that whether legally we are allowed to keep such animals or exotic animals as our pet or not. Okay. Okay, so this is a story about owl, owlet, and one boy. Owl, owlet, and one boy. This the author of this story is Ruskin Bond. Okay, Ruskin Bond is a very famous writer, Indian famous writer, and in this story, the small boy is who is a small boy? Ruskin Bond. Okay, so this story is about the Ruskin Bond, his childhood story. When he was in his childhood, he spent some days in Dehradun with his grandparents. So we are going to study about Ruskin Bond as a child. One winter morning, the boy with his grandfather found a baby spotted owl by the veranda steps at their house in Dehradun. Okay, so who found a baby spotted owl? The boy. Who is that boy? The boy means Ruskin Bond. He and his grandfather, they found a baby spotted owl at their house. At their house where? At their veranda steps. Veranda means the front space in our house. The front open space in our house. They found a baby spotted owl in their veranda. Okay, so what they did afterwards? They picked it up, and after a meal of raw meat and water, it settled down under his bed. Under his bed means under the boy's bed. So after picking it from veranda, what Ruskin Bond did? Ruskin Bond and his father, they picked and his grandfather, they picked it up. They picked that baby owlet and they gave some food and in food what they gave raw meat and water, and after feeding that owlet, they kept it under his bed. Under his bed means under Ruskin Bond's bed. Okay, so see scholars, in chapter there is two word, owl and owlet. What is the difference between owl and owlet? Owl means fully grown bird and owlet is young one of owl. Okay, so what they found? They found owlet, not owl. Okay, yes. Then next, afterwards, see in this picture is given in your textbook also, right? So what they did, Ruskin Bond and his grandfather, they kept that baby owlet under his bed, under Ruskin Bond's bed. Okay, the the owlet was quite happy under his bed. The following day, they found a second baby owlet in almost the same spot on the veranda. Okay, next day, following day means what? The next day. Okay, first day they found a baby owlet and they kept it under Ruskin Bond's bed, and that owlet was also very happy. The following day they found a second baby owlet at the same place. At the same place means in their veranda, and at the same place where they found day before yesterday they found one owlet. At the same space they found second owlet. Okay, then what happened? Then they thought that from where these owlets are coming daily. Yesterday also we found one, today also we are getting one. So from where these owlets are coming, they thought, and they thought to search this. Then what they saw, the rainwater pipe emerged through the roof. There was a rough shot of nest from which the birds had fallen. Okay, the spot from where they were getting these owlets, they saw that there is one rainwater pipe emerged through the roof. So from roof there was one rainwater pipe was attached, and there was a nest. So from that nest maybe these babies are falling down. Okay, so they thought, and they got the way from where these owlets are coming. They took the second young owl to join the first and fed them both. They were very kind, and they had a kind of a love for animals. So what they did, they took the second young owl also, second owlet also, and they kept that second owlet with the first one, and they fed them both. They gave food to both owlet. In night, when the boy went to bed, he found that the mother owl crooned and gurgled for a long time. Okay, in night what happened? They kept that two owlets under Ruskin Bond's bed, and in night when he went to bed, when he went to sleep, he found that the mother owl means mother of this two baby owlet. The mother of this two baby owlet, which they found and which they kept under his bed, mother of that two baby owlet was crooned and gurgled for a long time. Crooned and gurgled means that mother was making some soft sound, and soft sound from her throat. Why she was making some soft sound? She was making some soft sound, crooned and gurgled. These are the two types of sounds which she was making from her throat. Okay, why she was making such sounds? She was trying to call her babies. She was trying to show her love for her babies. Okay, it was night, so she came there at window, and she was trying to call her babies. Because the mother owl was not having great trust on the boy as a foster parent. Why that mother owl came at the window? Because she means by mistake that owlets were fallen down, right? So mother was very upset, and she was searching her babies. So when she saw that when she observed that two babies, her two baby owlets are here, then what she thought? she was not that much confident about that boy, that whether that boy will keep proper care of her babies or not. She thought like that, so that's why she was making sound there, and she was not having trust on that boy, on that Ruskin Bond. Okay. Now then after few days, what happened, that baby owlets are grown up. Okay, after few days means after 10 days the baby owlets are grown up, and after 10 days the boy and his grandfather decided to release them into the garden. For 10 days they kept that baby owlets, and they gave proper care, they gave food and water to that baby owlets. Now they are grown up, now they are not owlet, they became owl. So what they thought, they thought to release them into the garden. Okay, the boy placed one grown-up owlet on a branch of the mango tree, and when he was bending to pick up the other, he received a heavy blow on the back of the head. So what happened? The boy, they went to the garden, and the boy, means the Ruskin Bond, he placed one grown-up owlet on a branch of the mango tree, and he placed one, he thought to keep one by one. So when he kept one owlet on branch of the mango tree, and he thought to keep second one, he was bending to pick up the other or the second owlet. Then what happened, at the same time he received a heavy blow on the back of the head. Heavy blow by what? That there the owl was there, the mother owl was there. Okay, so mother owl was trying to attack on Ruskin Bond. Why? Because she was in anger. She thought that Ruskin Bond and his grandfather are trying to hurt her babies. Okay, a second or two later, the mother owl attacked on grandfather, but he was quite agile and ducked out of the way. Quickly, the boy placed the second owl under the mango tree. Okay, so when he was trying to pick up the second owlet, at the same time mother owl attacked on grandfather. Okay, attacked on grandfather with a heavy blow, but he was quite agile. Agile means he was able to move quickly, means he was not that much old, he was very active, he moved quickly and he saved himself. Okay, he saved himself, but he was quite agile and ducked out of the way, and he moved from that place. Quickly, the boy placed the second owl under the mango tree, and he was successfully, Ruskin Bond kept both babies at the mango tree, under the mango tree. Okay, then they observed from a safe distance that the mother owl lead her offspring into the long grass at the edge of the garden. So what happened, after keeping that both owlet under the mango tree, they thought to observe from a safe distance that what this mother owl is doing afterwards. So they saw that the mother owl led her offspring. Mother owl kept she picked up their offspring, and she took them into a long grass at the edge of the garden. So it means she was playing with her babies. She was very happy by seeing them, or by spending time with them. She was very happy, and the babies were also happy. This was observed by whom? This was observed by Ruskin Bond and his grandfather. They were also in garden, and they were trying to see that what's going on. Okay, so scholars, you have to read your lesson properly. Okay, half of the lesson we finished today. The half part we will do in next video. But till that time, what you have to do, you have to read your lessons thoroughly, and you have to mark hard words, and you have to find out meanings of that hard words. Okay, and take care.